Hey friends, if you wish to put two pictures side by side in Windows, then please watch this video. So open the Paint software and you will notice that there is no option to upload pictures. So if there's no option to upload pictures, how would you do it side by side? I'll give you an easy option. Go to Canva, canva.com, okay? And then when you are in canva.com, simply click on this option here and simply create a new presentation, and in that new presentation you can upload two pictures. Okay, now why I am telling you to upload two pictures, because you can use it in the free version too, but in the case of what do we say, Paint, you cannot do that. So I have uploaded two pictures side by side and I can simply arrange them normally, and then I can click on share, I can click on download, I can select the image type as PNG and I can download it, and it will be downloaded to my system. And once it is downloaded to my system, right, I can open it with Paint. Right click, open with Paint. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.